there, welcome to ThingsLinker. Today I am sharing you how we can use this inbuilt relay of TL01-ESP8266. Let's see. Now what you need just TL01-ESP8266 board and one ESP. If you have a smaller version, you can also use this, and if you have the bigger version of ESP8266, you can also use it. They both are connected with it. Let's see what is the relay pin number. In the manual you can see the D6 pin is for the relay, and we have also one relay switch here. If this switch is connect in left direction, that means that we can use the relay. Okay, now step 1, connect your ESP8266 with your TL01 board. And you know what? ThingsLinker also provides the libraries for your Arduino. So you just have to download libraries. The link is provided in the description, so you can download it. Now, after downloading, you just have to go examples and find out the ThingsLinker. Okay, here ThingsLinker, and go to ThingsLinker sketch and ThingsLinker relay. You can see the ThingsLinker relay sketch. Now, before uploading, don't forget to replace your authentication key and your Wi-Fi and password with your own. Now you have to just set up your Android app of your ThingsLinker. And if you are unsure how to use it, you can check our tutorial video. In the app, you can see the things, your authentication key. You can just send your email and you have received your authentication key in your mail. So just copy it and paste it in your code and replace your Wi-Fi and password. Now after uploading your code, now you just have to connect your ESP8266 and upload it. Okay. Now after uploading, you can see your device is connected with your ESP8266, and you can see the online. Now you have to just add your button and make sure to update it with V0 pin. Okay, now test it. Now when you open the on switch, the relay, you can see the LED. The relay is on. Now relay is off. Now relay is on. So that's it. Make your IoT projects easier with us. For more information, you can visit our website, and you can also contact with us for your IoT projects. Thank you for watching.